I am Stephanie, and welcome back to Building Your Path to Success. As usual, I am ecstatic to be here telling you about yet another REU. And today we're going to talk about REU at University of Penn. And for those who may not know, an REU is a research experience for undergraduates. Today we're going to talk about one at University of Penn we'll be hosting for summer of 2022. Now, if you're new here, welcome to this channel. Come along for the journey. Learn about ways that you can build a meaningful resume or information that you may want to post on, pass on to others, post somewhere else. But thank you for joining. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I'm happy there's information that you see as valuable information. Now, on this channel, I do like to focus on giving a lot of information in short periods of time for high school and college students so that they can build a meaningful resume. I share information on internships, REUs, conferences, and other opportunities. The goals for students become more competitive as they work towards their individual career goals. Now, if you're on here, you're listening to this one, you're probably in college. That is great, fantastic, especially if it's a field that can really give you a chance to grow. These opportunities will enhance your foundation, which is your degree, and allow you to do extensive research, which, yes, will put you in a position of being more competitive. So if you like this kind of information, please like, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell. I do share information on different platforms. However, if you have the YouTube video and you watch it, please give me a thumbs up on the actual YouTube because of the algorithms. Share from the YouTube itself if possible. So what is this? We're talking about University of Penn, which everyone has stopped calling it U of P, UPenn, University of Pennsylvania. We have what they're calling the UPENN Chemistry REU. And it's through their chemistry department. And this program, they like to call it Novel Techniques and Applications in Catalyst Research, Development, and Molecular Dynamics. And yes, this is all done at University of Pennsylvania in Philadelphia, the Department of Chemistry. The application deadline is going to be February 5th. That's coming up fairly soon, about a month away. And, you know, they're going to have you do an application and they're going to give you some projects to look at online. We're going to kind of talk about that. And with any REU, make sure you're going to be returning to school in the fall. They like to see that a lot of places. And what are you going to get out of doing this? You know, what are you going to get? So it is from May 31st until August 5th. You will get a $5,000 stipend, housing expense, travel expense, so that you can focus strictly on the academics. They do have, you could go on, I will put everything in the description below and read about the research projects. And with any REU, although I didn't see this, they do like you to do a project and present your information at the end, which is good because you could take that with you later. It's going to be anywhere from 10 to 12 students. Priority will be made for sophomores and juniors, which is going to be the rising juniors and seniors. So 10 to 12 students is what they're going to be getting into this program. And you will find out by mid-March. Now, of course, I can't give you all the information. I will be nothing but tongue-tied if I start talking about a lot of chemistry stuff, and I have no idea of what it is. My expertise is researching and finding and presenting it to you. But if you want the specifics about the molecular dynamics and different methods that you're going to be using throughout your experiments, you'll have to read that on your own. There is a lot of information. This is a good opportunity. Oh, let me tell you a few things they do want you to have. And they are looking for you to have completed general chemistry. I know that's usually general chemistry 1 and 2, organic chemistry 1 and 2. And there's a lot of mathematical information that you'll need for your project. So you will have to have math courses under your belt. Now, I do know with chemistry, a lot of places you need to have calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3, maybe differential math. So I would say you need to at least have completed calculus 1 and probably calculus 2, but definitely calculus 1. Because I do know with upper level science comes upper level math. So that's key. Please share this information. I'm going to put this out here. You can read about it if you are a chemistry major, pass it on to chemistry majors. Let's get our chemists, our young chemists, involved in these programs as soon as possible. Again, apply to as many of these REU CERPs that you can apply to without driving yourself crazy. If this is something you're going to be interested in, talk to your professors so you can let them know you're going to be applying for this so they can start working on your letters of recommendation while you're working on your part of the application. If you apply to any of the REUs or programs that I present, please do me, and you are accepted, do me a favor and let me know. I would like you to come on and present some information so that others can see that these things really do help, that these internships actually do help you by enhancing what you have learned in school. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, take care.